To seek attention is a human weakness, and the human only seeks attention because he does not know himself. He tries to understand himself through the eyes of other people. To him, what other people say about him matters a lot. This defines his personality. The opinions of other people define this man's personality. If people ignore him, he begins to lose himself. This personality that he has put together for himself by the opinions of other people begins to get destroyed. He has not discovered this personality, he has not found it. He has put together this personality. It is very fake, very artificial. He is begging for the attention of other people. And many people do this today. And this will not change unless you do not find your true self. Your true self does not depend on someone else's attention, opinion, or criticism. Deep down, you are trying to find attention. This attention is nourishment for your fake personality. You are happy with this attention. Even if they criticize you, condemn you, they are against you. You are happy that they are giving you some attention. If they are friendly and they compliment you, of course it is better. But some people just cannot live without attention. Whether people say negative or positive about you, whether they are respectful or disrespectful, it doesn't matter. They both serve the same purpose. I would like you to think about the word respect. It does not mean honor as it does in the dictionaries. Respect simply means respect. You want people to notice you, give you attention, look at you. In all ages, people have found different methods to get attention. Methods that are not necessarily rational. Stop being dependent on others. Be independent in your own being. Find your true self. And your true self can only be found when you silence your mind. When you silence your mind, you stop paying attention to what people think about you. You find your true talents. You find your true purpose. You find your true self. And the moment you know your true self, then nobody can take your individuality. Even if they kill you, they only kill your body. They cannot kill you. They cannot kill your true self. You need to understand there is nothing in respect. There is nothing in reputation. There is nothing in respectability. These are just bogus, contentless, meaningless words. You are all emperors. You are all kings and queens. You need to discover your true self to understand that. You just need to learn how to close your eyes and look into yourself for at least once or twice a day, and not just being focused outwards continuously. Then slowly you begin to understand your eternal being. And the miracle is, the day you begin understanding that you do not need attention from other people, is the day you will become even much more attractive to everybody. People will begin to feel this charisma within you, to feel this magic that has happened within you, which can be the most attractive thing to another person. Although they cannot understand what this is, you will attract people like a magnet. When you have found your individuality, people understand this. They understand this uniqueness in you. This uniqueness is very attractive, is very beautiful.